Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download support macros from Freshdesk, beginner guide step by step clearly. To download support macros from Freshdesk, begin by logging into your Freshdesk account. Once logged in, navigate to the left sidebar. Look for the Solutions section and click on it. In the Solutions area, find the Macros tab. Click on the Macros tab to view your existing macros. To download a macro, first select the specific macro you wish to export. Once you've selected the macro, look for an option to view its details. In the macro details, you will see various settings and options. Locate the option that allows for exporting or downloading the macro. Click on the Export or Download button. A file will be generated containing the macro information. Follow any prompts that appear to initiate the download process. Your downloaded file will typically be in a CSV or JSON format. Check your Downloads folder for the file. Make sure to open the file to confirm that it has downloaded correctly. You now have a copy of your macro saved on your device. If necessary, repeat these steps for any additional macros you wish to download. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.